Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand pi of pie chart in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In this data set, in first column, we are having the name of the employee. In second, their respective salary. Now just observe, the salary of John is 1,35,000. Michael, 1,10,000. Peter, 1,03,000. Maria, 1,03,000. Tony, 1 lakh. But if you observe the salary of Peter, Van, Douglas, and James, you can say they are very small in comparison to John, Michael, Peter, and Maria. Now, when you will plot the pie chart of this, it is quite likely possible that you don't get enough proportion of pie in it. So, the solution to this is pi of pie chart. Now, what you will do, you will select this, go in insert, and from here, activate pi of pi. So what it gives, so proportions of a whole, take some values from the first pi and combine them in the second pi. So it will combine the salaries of Peter, Van, Douglas, and James and create the second pi. So let's activate it. So you can see here that this second pi consists of Douglas, James, and Van. If you want to include you can say one more employee, it is also possible. But let's see the formatting one by one. We'll start with the chart area formatting. So these are the options which are available for us. You can select any one of them. So 9% is due to the salary of Van, Douglas, and James. It's total. Now you can add the chart element from here, chart title, above chart, center overlay, data labels, center, inside and outside and best fit, data callouts. Legend can be at right, top, left, bottom. Lines. So series line is not active, fine. Layout. You can select the layout from here, which type of layout you want. Okay, so we will keep as it is, and let's keep the things on the default. Let's select the simple one. Yeah, this one. The colors can also be changed from here. Okay. Now, if you want to add any chart elements, you can click on plus sign and activate the particular chart element and it will appear. Style of the chart can be changed from here. Color can also be changed. We can also filter the data. Now let's say we don't want to have a van. Apply. So van is gone. Apply. Now double click on it. Fill. Solid fill. Gradient fill. Picture or texture. Parent fill. And automatic. Now collapses, border, solid fill, solid line, gradient line, automatic. Now you can increase the width of this. The compound type can be changed from here. Dash type can be changed. See the borders of the chart area. This is for fill. So this is related to fill and border. Now go here. Do you require shadow? So you can activate one of them. See, the shadow has appeared. Transparency can be increased or decreased. The size of the shadow, blur, angle of the shadow, distance, glow. So you can select any one of them. Glow, size of the glow, its transparency can be increased or decreased. So shadow is over, glow is over, soft edges. You can have this type of chart also by increasing the soft edges. 3D format. So here 3D format, let me check, is it available? Yeah, for the chart area it's available, 3D format. Now activate this size by increasing this number. The size of the chart can be increased, width can be increased. Properties keep as it is. Text options, text field. We can have a gradient field, pattern field, picture or texture field, and the pattern field. So I'll keep it solid field. Text outline, solid line. Text effects, shadow, you already know. Do we require reflection for this? Let's go here and have a reflection if needed. Then glow for this text, soft edges if necessary. No, soft edges is not active. 3D format, not active. 3D rotation, not active. Okay. Text options, we have seen all of them. Now you can double click on this. We'll start with the field. So one by one, you can change the color of each slice. So if I say solid field, everything will become dark. Let me keep it as it is. Control Z. Okay. So field option, solid line. Do we require or not? Now click here. Effects, shadow. Do we require shadow? Let's keep it. Shadow has appeared. What color shadow we require? Light blue. Transparency, size of the shadow, blur, angle, distance. Then we are having glow. We can have a glow, soft edges, so I'll press Ctrl Z to keep on the default settings. 3D format. Now let me check this. Yeah, so we are having 3D format here also. Looks quite nice. Let me check another. This is 3D format. Okay, so let's collapse this and we'll go here. Now the interesting thing which has appeared is this one. Split series by position, values in the second plot. How many you require? So at present 1, 2 and 3 are there. Can I increase? Yeah, one more. So this 6% has entered inside and now it is 15%. Pi explosion can be done. Gap width can be increased. Second plot size, increase or decrease. You can do it. Split series by value, percentage value, or you can have even the custom for splitting the series. So keep it position only, that is much better. Still we are having one more chart type. Let me check. Click here, go in chart type, pie. Yeah, and you can represent this in this format also. So this was all about how to create pie of pie chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like my videos. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. You can join me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram, link given in the description box.